why people are not coming up with all kinds of things to say, solutions to problems, what direction should the United States be going in, even down to the personal level, from the meta down to the personal. It's quiet out there. It's quiet. The quiet is your home. It's where you came from. It's where we came from. It's where we are. Come from indicates a distance that was traveled, but there wasn't any distance traveled. But that place is your home. So when logical causality, when the causal chain is seen as anything other than a play toy for creation, it becomes what's known as dangerous. The causal chain is not necessary at all. Perform an experiment with anything. As you're moving through your day, try to slap that mental causal chain over the top of it and see if it fits. See if it really works. You can do it. You can place the existence inside of the constraints of that play toy, which is called the causal chain, or logic's rationality. You can, but it's like putting a paper, if you made a chain out of those little paper loops that you used to as kids, and then you handcuffed yourself with them for fun. That's what it is. It's not any more serious than that. And like, since I was talking about Matt already, and since people were commenting on mentioning his name in this other video I made today, I would like to posit that what he's doing is he's guilty of the same thing. Because he says nothing is real. Right? Everything is a conspiracy theory. But he's not applying the same metric to the words that are coming out of his mouth, his own mouth. If you're going to whitewash, you got to apply it to everything. Everything. If you're going to generalize, apply it to everything. Because he's still, even though he says, I don't understand it. It looks like there's something phenomenally vast behind all of these things that don't make rational sense. Make no rational sense whatsoever. No logics may be applied here. We can see patterns, but we can't make head nor tails out of it. Right? That's what he says for the most part. He calls it the guys in the back room, or the coming down from on high, from Mount Olympus, I think is how he words it. So from perspective, it looks as if somebody is wielding power somewhere that results in all kinds of anomalies on the physical plane. And he uses the words like in on it and so on, as if there is a part of the world that is logical, and then there's a part of it that is sort of intruding upon the logical aspect, i.e. those beings that would wield magic and whatnot. Right? The causal chain doesn't work, though. It just doesn't work. It's not correct as anything other than a play thing for consciousness. The daisy chain of paper loops will break apart. And if you have all of your acorns invested up in there, and the daisy chain being sort of indestructible, then when it just blows apart with the slightest breeze, then your own mind is going to blow apart with the same amount of ease, and you won't enjoy it. Some people, that's just what has to happen, but it does not have to happen to everybody. It's not necessary. Causal chain in simple day-to-day life for the things that you know you need to do, and then just drop it, or reintroduce it in its proper context, which is play. Okay, use it as form for play. You can say some words, say any words. Okay, put I in there. Then put some sort of verb, will, then throw in some adjectives. I will interact with blue, green, purple trees today. Okay, you've set up a bit of a form. I will interact with blue, green, purple trees today. And then you go have a party, right? Go do something. That's all that words are supposed to do. They're supposed to act as form and as guidance systems for consciousness. Play. Okay? The Yaldi system has messed it up a little bit, but it's not beyond repair. Not beyond repair. Causal chains. Anyway. See y'all. Peace out.